Wagwan people, man, you're tuned into Click React, and today we got a funny video for you, man. That's gonna be reacting to this trailer called Toronto Man. I don't know if you've heard about stereotypes of Toronto Man and stuff like that, but most of them are true, but they're funny as hell. So we're just gonna be looking at that today. It seems like there's a lot of kinda small celeb status people that are well known in Toronto that are in this. So I saw the first part of it, I just started dying. I thought I would share and react. So guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you think about this trailer because I'm excited to see it.
You saying fam? Before I was
Bucks
saying
be
fam,
ballin', guys. If you guys don't know who this is Bucks be ballin', top general, top gangster in Toronto. You get me?
saying bro, and before I was saying bro, I was saying dog, and a dog and a
Trendsetter. Before he was saying bro, he was saying dog.
bro is still your fam. So I just took away the dog, took away the bro, and now I say fam.
Took away the dog, took away the bro. Now he says fam. Guys, like, is that not poetry? It's like, is that not poetry?
We're here in Toronto. For those who don't know, can you tell us your name and what you do for a living?
My name is Bucks, and I just get money. I don't really have a.
What I like here, right, is that we're camouflaged out. But what we have going on is that if his top half needs to be blended in a different type of environment, a darker brown shade camo environment, he's got that covered. And if the lower half, like this lower half would be better for this grass that he's standing on. So he's prepared for any camouflage situation. And of course he has to be fresh, so the Gucci hat is there.
Job, but like I hustle. Let me tell you guys the story about how I almost died smoking a cigarette.
Alright.
So I go outside to smoke a cigarette. I'm on my porch sitting down smoking a cigarette, and the car drives by slowly. He's grilling me, so I'm grilling him back. I had the cigarette
Wait, is the car grilling him? Or I'm confused about that. We'll find out
in
more.
my mouth. I'm grilling him, and he rolls down his window and he starts shooting like bomb, bomb, bomb. I'm like, fuck, fam. After the first shot, I felt something hit me, so I flipped over and I ran into my backyard, fam. And I hopped the fence. And when I hopped the fence, I realized the bogey's still in my hand. So I'm like, what the fuck is this
That takes skill, courage, determination. You're running for your life and you still have a cigarette in your hand.
bogey still doing in my hand? I tossed it. And I'm like, fuck, I ran to
Fuck
the
that.
store. I asked the store man one more time, did I get shot? Look, he's like, yes. So I'm like, call the ambulance, fam.
Well, I'm glad you're okay, bro.
Yo, honestly, I don't know if he's joking. This is the thing with this guy. I don't know if he's, like, this is a character and he's just fucking around or if there's something wrong with him. I'm gonna be straight up. I don't know. Because the way he looked at the camera at the end, like, the story was done, like, what are you waiting for at this point? Like, react?
Yeah, for sure, fam. That was a scary shot. That was the scariest thing I ever seen in my life. That's why I changed my rap name. You say you guys are riding, I say all you guys are lying. Not talking about hide and seek when I say all you guys are hiding. I slide, they hide. My guys got straps in their side.
Low-key, this look a fire. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah, hi. I'm
Why they zooming in on his teeth like that, though?
live. QP, I spent about 5.
What does it mean when someone says,
Oh, this
Turkey
girl.
fam?
That means like don't come near me, I'll fucking hit you. If I have something on me, I'll blah. You feel me? Yeah. Bitch, if you don't fuck with me, you're a loser, fam. You gotta fuck with me. I'm gonna put Western Road on the map. You already know. Let's get it, let's go. It's plush.
Guys will pay me to poo on their
I just I'm gonna back that up a little because she started off a little hot that she said guys will pay me. Now me personally as a guy, she couldn't do anything for me for free, but niggas are paying her. So I heard something disgusting. I wasn't sure where it's gonna go. Just gonna back it up and listen again.
will pay me to poo on their chest.
Okay, I heard what I thought I heard, and wow, guys, I think we as a society need to do better. Disgusting. Can I say that's even disgusting? Can I? It's far worse than that. I think it's wow.
How many clients do you have?
I have like 3 like regulars.
How much per turd?
I'd say like a 200. Sometimes they make me stay like over the weekend. I
Alternative sex worker. What the fuck does that mean?
shit on them every time I have to go. When I have the runs, like they like to get shit on when I have the runs. Like
I feel like I need to throw up. Whoa, that's crazy.
diarrhea. Well, I don't have a problem
Wow.
shitting like on people because I like went to jail. So like you have to shit in front of people when you're in a cell. So I went to
Oh.
jail for pepper spraying someone.
Why'd you pepper spray him?
Because she was trying to fight me and I don't fight because that's ratchet and I'm like a grown woman. So
Yeah, fighting is ratchet. Shitting on people is pretty normal, I think.
How do you think that like Toronto is different from the rest of the country?
Toronto's just like that
No,
city. Like,
boys.
Toronto's just like
This guy's the living legend.
the scene in Toronto.
I think I seen one thing about him where he paid off his parents' house and everything, and that's so cool. Like, just to think that off of the content and making people laugh, you could do that.
The city's like, it's always on fire, especially in the summer too. Like the bars, the restaurants. I think Toronto has the hottest girls.
A research associate told me that Toronto has the
Definitely the hottest girls right here.
most attractive and coolest women in the world. Do you believe that is true?
No, because Toronto things are set up.
What's his setup thing?
They set up people, you know.
Like you think it's a hot girl, but it's a girl's older brother who kicks you in the nuts and takes your iPhone?
Basically, yeah. Not their brother, more likely their pimp or their boyfriend.
You think pimps are evil?
Yeah.
If you're watching this, stay
Definitely
out
had
of trouble
one.
and don't follow your friends. They could get you in more trouble. Follow your dreams. Don't give up. Go to college. Just don't get caught slipping.
Hey guys, my name's Andrew Callahan,
Facts.
and what you just saw is a couple minutes out of our documentary, Toronto Man, a cultural study in Canada's largest city. If you guys want to see more, go to our Patreon. It's www.patreon.com/channel5. It's about $5 a month, but it supports our entire independent production budget. I appreciate you guys.
I definitely have to go watch that, because that shit looks very interesting. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to hit that like button, man. I'll see you guys later.